Hello, my friends. I was going to do a flip cup with a bit of silicone to get some cells today, but for that I generally use a Liquitex and glue mix as my pouring medium, but I accidentally mixed the Liquitex with Floetrol instead, so I'm going to skip the silicone and just do a straight pour. And just for fun, to my white, I added a little bit of satin enamel, so maybe we'll get some cloud effect. So I've got white, deep yellow, metallic orange, deep magenta, light blue, and Payne's gray. I'll repeat that all down below and give you my recipe as well, but let's see what happens. Paints are pretty thick. I love painting on a round canvas. I just got these. I haven't done rounds in a long time, but I just think they're really fun to pour on, and I love the look of it on a wall. Okay, that should be plenty for this canvas. It's pretty right now. Let's give it a go. I'm going to do just a straight pour. Oh, I'm seeing lumps. I used an old tube of white, and oh dear, it must have been lumpy. Wow, it's pretty, but it doesn't look anything like I visualized it would after the way I loaded up a cup. All right, well, I'm going to hit with the torch. I'm going to let this sit for a minute and percolate because I see some things happening in there probably because of the satin enamel. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes and we'll tilt. All right, while I was waiting, I decided to add some flow extender. This was just some scrapings I had from something else, but I think it's kind of pretty with these colors, and I'm almost wondering if I can't work with it somehow. I'm going to try. I'm going to tilt around and maybe leave some negative space. If I don't like it, I'll do something else, but here we go. What do I think of that? I don't know. I kind of like this area. I'm going to bring that all the way over. I have to run some of this flow extender off. It's just too much. But now let me bring it back. I don't know. I kind of like it. I'm going to run this off. And run that dark blue all the way to the edge. Yeah, that's better. You know what? I think I may keep it like this. And let me turn it towards you the way how am I seeing it? Yeah, that would be at the bottom down here, I think. I think I like it. What do you think? Let me bring you in for a closer look. And the satin enamel didn't do a whole lot, unless it does more while it rests the next few minutes. But this wasn't my cloud recipe, really. It was a mistake. And I think it's kind of cool. An eyeball there. Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.